What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a Denago Nomad. The small version is non-lifted, obviously, but this might apply to many different golf carts. The issue was we had a pretty loud squeaking sound, and if you felt like while you're driving it, if you just put your hand here, you could feel the vibration coming through this support here for the top. Very easy to fix it. With your 10mm, just remove these bolts here and here so that the support can pull away from the roof frame, and get you some sort of adhesive tape. It can be like, I'm almost out here, so but get something like D-foam. You can get it at at your local hardware store, in the refrigeration and weather stripping section of the store. It's called D-foam. It's in the shape of a little D. Very small, maybe 1/4 of an inch in thickness, and it's adhesive on one side, and you will just put it right along there in between the frame and the support arm, and then snug it back down and go test drive it, and that's all there is to it. It could be similar on both sides. You may have it over there as well. It actually can be anywhere that the top is fastened to these little support struts. So you may have to do some more investigating, but the way I found it is just by holding the strut that it was suspect while I was driving, and you could feel the creaking vibrating through the strut. Very simple, no big deal. We are in Canton, Georgia, which is about 45 minutes north of Atlanta. Golf Cars of Canton. And if you are looking for a Denago dealer or a club car dealer, Tomberlin dealer, we have new and used cars, so we service them also. So look us up online. You'll see the links in the description. And we're about to open a new location in Woodstock, Georgia, which is even closer to Atlanta. It'll be about 1 mile from Main Street, and it's called Golf Cars of Woodstock. I'll put the links in the description. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and send a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you all later.